After you have the tri-screen plugged in, you will need to configure your displays and arrange your new screens within your laptop's display settings. To do this, we are going to jump into your system preferences. You can also access this by clicking the Apple button in the top left-hand corner of the screen and clicking on System Preferences. When the menu appears, you're going to click on Displays. In the Displays menu, click on the Arrangement tab. First, make sure that the Mirror Displays box is unchecked. Let's move on to the arrangement. The three blue boxes you see in this menu represent the three screens on your laptop. When you click within each blue box, you will see that it will highlight one of your three screens with a red border. Your laptop's actual screen is indicated within the menu as a blue box with a white bar along the top edge. You will need to click and drag to rearrange your screens within this menu so that your laptop knows which screen is on the left, which is in the center, and which is on the right. Click and drag your screens to the arrangement shown. Please note that you will always want your laptop's actual screen, the one with the white bar along the top, in the center. When you are all set, click on each of the three blue boxes from left to right to make sure that the correct screen is highlighted, confirming you have arranged your screens correctly. Now you are all set and ready to go.